Happy Sunday, Community Voice Global. I thought I would take this time to make a couple of little videos for you to practice ahead of you sending your video in to me. So this is the alto part for The World Will Open Up, with the piano part as well. Oh, can you hear the bells in the distance? The world will open up. It won't be too long. I know you've been waiting. The world will open up and we'll all be together again, hugging our families and seeing our friends. We'll stand in the same room and sing a song. Back to the beginning. Look at the sky, it will remind you the world will open up. Tomorrow will come, it's on the horizon. The world will open up and we'll all be together again, hugging our families and seeing our friends. We'll stand in the same room and sing a song. Na 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 na. I will always love you. I got rhythm, I got music. Oh, can you hear the songs in the distance? The world will open up and we'll all be together again, hugging our families and seeing our friends. We'll stand in the same room and sing a song. And sing a song. Happy practicing, altos.